Okay, our fourth game, Last Shots versus BSA. First possession ng BSA, same ball. Shout out sa mga nagugutom dyan. Kay Manang, Cebu's Vikings Restaurant. Nako, na-miss namin yan. Number 77. Nice pass. Pwede na kumain. Two points for number one. Number 6. Shot lang. There was a foul. Foul given up by number 17. Same ball. Uy, naagaw. Tinira, palpal. Same ball pa rin. Shot clock. 10 to shoot. Number 7 tries from downtown. No good. Tinira, black shot again. And a putback, wali. Another turnover. Tony si Lance, number 11, Lance. For 2, number 17, harassed by 2. Number 11, almost a steal. Nice pass. Still, here comes number 17, lays up, no good, and the putback, timeout, BSA. Coach. Happy Father's Day nga pala sa lahat ng mga ating manonood, sa lahat ng mga coaches. Okay, pasok. Time remaining 6 minutes and 55 for the first quarter. Tabla tayo on 6 ang ating score. Cebu's Vikings Restaurant. Beke namin. Pwede na. Nakadalawang announce na eh. Echo. Inside pass. Kick out to Lance from downtown. Wala. Putback. Palpal. Number 3, Echo. Drop pass. Sayang. Ganda pasa na. Number 3. Yow. Back to number 3, Echo. Tumira ng 3, wala. Lance. Wanna put back. Go to 8-6 ang ating score. 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 2, wali. Number 7, almost losing the ball. And number 1. Number 7. Number 1, pull up, no good. Put back by Echo, wala pa rin. Rebound by number 23, Casañas. Diretso ha, parang door-to-door ha. Follow number 1. Substitution. Pasok lang, pasok. The free throws. Number 23, no good. Echo. Tumira, put back by number 14. Isa pa. Follow up, wala pa rin. Buti na lang nandun si Echo. 10-7 ang ating score. 3-point lead by DSA. Almost 16, number 77. Nagdadala ng bola. Pinasa. Muntik mahagaw. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Lakas na mo na dapat to ha. Grabe ha. Lance. Binitin pa. Naribol ni Echo. Echo to number 14. Diretso. Play pa rin. Stepping on the line. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Turnover. Number 7, pass to number 3. Tula. Stepping on the line. Our steal. Ganda na sapatos, oh. Kulay pula. Number 77 pull up. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Echo. Doble. Number 4 to number 23 to number 8. Time to shoot. 3-point. Casañas. $58 seconds for the first. Yao to Lance. Lance. No good. Put back by number 6. Wala pa rin. Uy. Bumawi. Follow number 11, Lance. Second personal foul for number 11, 14 fouls for DSA. Wala na 2 points for last shots. 2-point lead. 20 seconds. Time remaining. Seconds. 2 free throws for Lance. 5 seconds time remaining. First try pumasok. 12-11. 5 seconds na lang ha. 5 seconds. Uy, kanya pa rin. And that's the end of the first quarter. Ating score 13-12 is still in favor. Uy! Gandang tira doon ha, number 8. Lamang ng isa ang last shots. Oh, galing. From downtown, wala. Uy. Pasahan niya siya ha. Number 77, lazy rap, no good. Number 7 to Lance, number 11 to number 14, umikot. Ganda ng ikot ha. Maganda lang ang ikot, hindi pumasok. Nakagaw, number 7. Ayun sila. May tinawag na foul. Coach. Second try for number 7. Hindi pumasok. Number 7 legs up, no good. Time out. Last shots. Sir, meron pa? Meron pa po isa. Okay, back to the ball game. Pasok na tayo. Pasok. Last shots. Boy, pass break ha. To number 8. Drop pass. Almost steal. Same ball. Substitution. Aiden. Si Aiden recharge. 20s to shoot. Aiden. Number 7. Uy, naagaw ni Casanyas. Ito na, diretso yan, oh. Yun, may tinawag na foul, ha. Pushing foul for number 7. Number 7, ilang foul? First personal foul for number 7. First try for Casanyas, no good. Second try. Pasok, substitution. Cancel daw. Hoy, may traveling na nakita kay Aiden Richards. Ito Sharma. Hoy galing Naagaw ni Aiden, naagaw ulit sa kanya. Pinasa kay Casanyas. Uy, natapik ulit. Ito na si Aiden. Pinasa kay number 14. The foul on number 8. Push. Third. First personal foul, second team foul. First personal for number 8. Casanyas. Tumira, wala. Rebound ni number 25. Wala. Hoy, rebound by number 7. Wala pa rin. Point back by number 8. Ito na si Casanyas. Substitution. Pasok. Balsa, number 8. Number 8. Aiden. To number 25, wala. Uy, na-depensa ulit. Time to shoot. Wala pa rin. Casanyas. Saan tayo? Sabo, pasok. Time out. Last shot. Time out po tayo. Time out. Meron ako orange. Okay, back to the ball game. Time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Kain muna kayo doon. Kain muna kayo. Lance from downtown. Not good. Pinasa ay number 8. Tumigi. Tumira. Pumasok. Ay, mga Roses team. Punta kayo dun sa kabilang court. Mga Roses team. Basket. Roses team, para hindi kayo nakabala dyan, punta kayo sa kabilang court. Francia. Inside pass to number 77. And a 2-point shot. Basket count plus foul on number 11. Substitution. Third personal foul for Lance. Hoy, hindi pumasok. Aiden. Number 8, Francia. Direct yan. Tumangga ng konti. Wala. Nakuha ni number 77 for the putback. Lakas ng batang to, ha. Ang laki. Si Sharma. Aiden, fakes. Pass. Putback. Wala pa rin. Lance again. Kanila pa rin. Time to shoot. Follow number 8. Substitution. Meron. Timeout DSA. Both teams, no more timeout. Both teams, no more timeout. Dami nanonood ngayon, ha? Father's Day. At holiday. Happy Father's Day sa mga ama ng tahanan. Hindi pwedeng kumontra ngayon ng mga asawa. Father's Day, eh. Hindi kami pwedeng maglaba ngayon. Magplancha, magluto. Day off namin. Okay, pasok. Last shot, pasok. Time remaining 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Lamang ng 7 ang last shots. Ganda ng laban na to, ha. Parang ano na, ha. Number 7, no look pass. To number 26, wala. Si Byron. Pasanyas. Pass to number 77. Hanggang ano nun, ha? Blocking foul. Seven dry. Pumasok. Number 7, Duriao. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Uy, ang gandang palo to, kaya lang wala. Kaya pa rin. Ay, wala pa rin. Naglalabasan ng tira. Ito na si Francia. Ganda ng pasa. Kinuha sa taas. Hindi lang nakuha. Ito naman si Trax. Uy, wala. Oo, iba talaga yung may malaki. for penalty. Walang tira pumasok. 23, pumasok ulit. 45 seconds time remaining. $38 seconds. 14 to shoot. Nakakuha ng DSA. Ito na. Ganda naman ang pass. Ah, grabe. Ganda rin ang tira. 20 seconds. Francia. Pasanyas. Well. Number 77. Wala pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Wala pa rin. 4 seconds. 2. Pumasok pa. Nadali pa yun, ha? 30-24 ang ating score. Diyan po nagtatapos ang ating second quarter. Okay, third quarter. Lamang ng 6 ang last shots. To shoot. Uy, running jumper, ha? Francia, uy, tinubunting. Lance. Gandang layup, ha? Nari mo ni Francia. Eto na, Kasanyas. Diretso siya. Oy! Nagpapipinsa ni Lance, ha? Siyama, umikot. Nakakuha ng DSA. Lays up. Daming sumabit. First try pumasok. Substitution. Ganda ng depensa nun. Palpal. Number 6, tumira. For 2. Tabla tayo. Daling pinawi, ha? Nakagaw pa. Lamang lang ang dalawang defense. Parents, players, yung mga hindi pa naglalaro, doon muna tayo sa taas. Substitution. Yun, ang maganda, malinis ng baba. Hoy, number 3. Echo. Na-follow up number 7 for 2. 34. Number 3, Echo. Ilan na yan si Echo? Second personal. Second team fouls. Number 77, lays up for 2. Number 6. Basket count. Number 3. Oy, heavy traffic. Number 7 again for 2. Na-rebound ni Lance. Another 2 points, 38-36. Number 14. Pass to 6. Kanya pa rin. Tumira. Foul number 3. Ilan na yan? Number 3. Third personal foul number 3. Substitution. Bola ng last shots. Full court defense, ha? Casañas, nakalusot pa rin. Francia. Again, search. Tumira, wala. Number 77 umikot, wala pa rin. Na-rebound ni number 7. Si Serks. Iyak naman ang pangalan nito, Serks. 2 points for Serks. Oy, steal by Lance. Oh, hindi nasalo. Time out. Last shots. Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 16. Sa mga hindi pa kumakain dyan, nandyan ang Seafoods Vikings Restaurant. Ayan, ha? Ayan, si Malang, oh. Talagang busy-busy, oh. Malang, daming customer, ha? Baka wala lang matira sa amin dyan. Okay, pasok na, pasok. Last shots. magandang pasa sa kalaban, ha? Perez, tumira. Put back by number 77 again. (40-38), lamang ng 2 points ang BSA. Two minutes and 34. 14 to shoot. Science. Points up for number 77, 1 minute and 54. Tabla tayo, another tabla na naman. Foul number 25. Penalty. 23 ba yun? 23. Ilan foul na yung number 23? First personal foul for number 23. Di pumasok. Ay foul na tinawag. Foul number 26. First try pumasok. Second try, no good. Lumabas. Search. Galing mag-dribble ng batang to. Eh, gabi ha, binomba pa. Di lang pumasok. Sound number 2. 42-41, 1 point lead. 1 minute and 7 seconds for the third quarter. Casañas to Francia. 10 to shoot. Uy! Ganda naman ang diskarte nun, ha? Iba, iba. May pinagmanahan. Basta, same ball. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. Pumasok. 2 seconds. Uy, naipukul pa. Okay, fourth quarter na tayo. Okay, mag-dribble dyan. Mamaya na, mamaya na. Casañas from 3, no good. Rebound by Lance. Outlet pass to number 13. 18 seconds to shoot. Tumira. Ay, may tinawag na foul. Foul number 27. Second personal, number 27. First team foul. Sharma. Almost a steal. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot, ha? Tumira ng tres si Francia for three. Dali. Tabla tayo, 46 all. Pinasa. Uy, sobra. Ay, may foul na tinawag, number 13. Oh, yung team ng Roses tsaka home court, mag-ready na po ha. Punta na po doon sa kabilang court. Sa ating court 2. Roses and home court. Ah, kilala ko yung ano dyan sa home court. Coach Melvic. (46-48). Lumamang na ang last shot ulit. Hindi na laban ha, lamangan lang. Ayun. Turnover. Nakuha number 77. Pasanya, tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni Perez. Pinasa sa labas. Inside pass. Wala pa rin. 5 to shoot. 3 seconds ang tinawag. Substitution tayo. Sab ulit. Sab. Number 14, oy, bumomba. Wala pa rin. Yung team ng home court and Roses, mag-prepare na po sa kabilang court. Pasanyas. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Lance. Number 14, lazy rap. Wala. Na-rebound number 77. Jump ball tayo. DSA ball. DSA. Substitution. Si Cyrex. Lance. Kanya pa rin. Natapikan ng bola. Pinasa kay Casanyas. Pass to Perez. Pinasa kay number 3. Eco. Ito na si Eco. Cyrex. Ganda ng pasa. Uy, tulingin pa. Ayun ulit. Ano sa itong batang to, ha? Foul number 2. Second personal, number 2. First try, no good. Second try. Pumasok. Number 14. Bumomba. Wala pa rin. Number Number 7, foul. Second personal, dalawa ka lang, Iho. 4 minutes and 50, 13 fouls for DSA. Pasanyas. Pasanyas for 2. Palpal. Binasa kay Francia. Francia. Bumomba. Wala. Dati pesahan ni Lance. Eko. Dire-diretso. Nakakuha ang number 14. Uy! Ang nanadapa yun ah. Basket count, foul. Sino foul? Sino foul? Number 3. Foul number 3. Fourth personal foul for Eco, number 3. Apat na yan, coach, ha? Apat. Uy! Wala. Eko, put back. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni Francia. Francia. Uy! Nakagawan ni Cyrix. Pumasok. Basket count. Foul number 2. Bonus free throw, ha? Pasok. Ay, mag-a-announcer. Gibson, dito ka. Oy, pumasok. Penalty. Same ball. Sabal. Number 7 pulls up to good. By number 8. To number 77. Of the glass, 2 points. Timeout. Daisy. Running score 50-54. And Fibor of Lashat 4-point lead. Remaining time for the last and final quarter. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Bot, tigdalawa.
Okay, back to the ball game. Players, go back to the floor. Last shot, players on the court, please.
Okay. Ang ganda ng pasa, hindi na binera. To shoot. Ten to shoot. Casañas, 2. Intercepted by number 77. To Casañas. Casañas, being arrested by number 14.
Intercepted by Lance.
Last 2 minutes. Ang ganda ng tira, hindi lang pumasok. Parang pinasa lang. Casañas, Inter by number 6. Francia, block. Toperes, throws up, 2 points. Time out. DC.
Remaining time, 1 minute and 12 seconds for the last and final quarter. Okay, back to the boogie.
A foul forward. Foul number 7. 2 shots. Number 7, that was your 4th personal foul. Warning for disqualification of this game.
Running score 56-58 in favor of Lashat. First attempt, yes. Second attempt. Yes, sir. Take over 3, Liga. Rebound by number 14. To Lance. Lance. Sapal ni number 77. Tumama. Clean block. Nagmadali. Time out. Last shot. Remaining time for the last and final quarter. 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Come on in, guys. Last shot. Clear the play shot. May matitirang 9 seconds. Foul number 11. Lance, that was your fourth personal foul. Remaining time, 19 seconds. First attempt of Casañas. No good. Parang hindi masaya ang ama. Second attempt. Yes, sir. 19 seconds. He go for 3. Look good. A foul called. Foul number 77. Foul. 30 foul. A foul called. Nice ball rep. Foul number 23. 4 seconds remaining time. First attempt, Lugo. Second attempt. Yes, sir. Time out. Last shot. Last shot. Last shot. Come on in, guys. Four seconds remaining time. 4 seconds. Foul number 14. Red. Saglit lang, saglit. Okay. First infraction, foul number 3. Second infraction, unsportsmanlike foul number 14. 2 shots. First, without jumper, and then 2 shots for the unsportsmanlike foul and plus ball position. Unsportsmanlike foul. Sino ang... Siya pa rin? Sige. Oh, 3 seconds. Remaining time. Congratulations, last shot. Final score, 57-62. Best player, number 23 and number 77. Sharma and Casanyas. Okay, second players.